Hey everyone, welcome back to AI Legend. Today we're diving into the vibrant world of color theory using MidJourney. Whether you're a designer, artist, or simply passionate about colors, this video will show you how to leverage MidJourney to create stunning color-rich visuals that truly stand out. As always, don't forget to check the pinned comment for extra resources and tips to help you master color theory with MidJourney. Let's jump right in. First up, let's explore color harmonies. Understanding how colors interact is fundamental to creating visually appealing designs. Color harmonies are combinations of colors that are aesthetically pleasing when used together, and they can set the tone for your entire project. With MidJourney, you can effortlessly generate images that showcase different color harmonies such as complementary, analogous, or even triadic schemes. For example, let's go with complementary color schemes. So, what are complementary color schemes? Well, they are opposite each other on the color wheel, creating high contrast and vibrant looks. This harmony is perfect for making elements pop and adding energy to your designs. By using Midjourney, we can visualize these combinations in a dynamic and creative way. So here's the prompt we'll use to generate a complementary color scheme in a vibrant landscape scene, for instance. So here's my prompt right here, vibrant landscape with complementary colors. For example, orange and blue dominant. There we go. See, blue. There you go. Blue right here. I mean, this is not really the color wheel. But you'll know. You'll get it. So here we go. Let's hit enter right about now. All right. So I've entered the prompt into MidJourney. So now we'll let the AI work its magic. So this process allows us to see how complementary colors can enhance the visual impact of a scene. So it all depends on the image rendering results from MidJourney. So it only take about a while, just a bit. Just wait until it's generated. Well, what do we have here? Check that out. See right here? The vivid orange sunset contrasts beautifully with the deep blue waters right here with the other colors right here. Other than that, the blue skies, the orange grass right here. See? Not only that, this creates a striking and balanced image. See right here? This is perfect for projects that need eye-catching visuals, like such as posters or website designs. So by experimenting with the different complementary pairs, you can discover endless possibilities to make your work stand out. See? Next, let's delve into conveying emotion through color. Colors have the incredible ability to evoke a wide range of emotions, from calmness and serenity to excitement and passion. Choosing the right color palette is essential for setting the emotional tone of your project, and MidJourney can help you visualize these feelings effectively. For instance, if you're aiming to create a serene and calming scene, you'd want to use cool colors like blues and greens, for instance. These hues are known to promote relaxation and tranquility, making them ideal for projects like wellness websites or peaceful artwork. So let's put together, then paste this prompt right here to generate a tranquil lakeside at dawn using a calming color palette. So here it is. There we go. My prompt, tranquil lakeside at dawn, soft blue and green hues, misty atmosphere, peaceful and calming. Okay, now let's send this off right about now. With this prompt submitted, now MidJourney will create an image or the following images that embodies the soothing, sorry about that, and peaceful vibes. This helps you see how color choices can directly influence the mood of your visuals. Now, here's the results. Beautiful, isn't it? The soft blues and some green tones in there immediately give off a serene and peaceful vibe. See right here? Perfect for projects that need a calming touch. See? Whether you're designing a meditation app or creating a nature inspired art, which this would be fitting right here, using the right colors can make all the difference in conveying the intentional emotion. Now, if you find this video helpful so far, don't forget to subscribe to get notified whenever we post a new video. And if you could take just 2 seconds to smash that like button, it would help us get traction in the YouTube algorithm. Now let's talk about enhancing composition with color. Color isn't just about aesthetics. It's a powerful tool for guiding the viewer's eyes and creating balance within your artwork. By strategically using color placements and intensity, you can control the focal points and overall harmony of your composition. MidJourney allows you to experiment with these aspects to achieve the perfect balance in your designs. Now, for this segment, we'll create an image where color directs the viewer's attention to the focal point. This technique is especially useful in advertising and editorial design, where you want to highlight specific elements without overwhelming the viewer. Now, here's a prompt that we'll be using to generate, let's say, a modern art piece with strategic color highlights. There we go. Let's say this would be the one with my prompt right here. And now let's send this off right about now. Okay, let's see how MidJourney would interpret this once the image rendering process would be complete. So my idea is to have like vibrant reds that naturally draw the viewer's eye to the center while maintaining a balanced and harmonious overall composition. But then again, once the rendering process is complete, it all depends on what would be the results that comes out with this. But we'll see. And now, here is the final results with this one. See, notice how the vibrant reds immediately draw your circle to the center of the piece while the surrounding colors maintain a balanced and harmonious composition. See right here? This technique is invaluable for creating compelling visuals that guide your audience's focus exactly where you want it. See, the reds, it's directly where you're looking at. See right there? Pretty effective. Finally, let's explore creating custom color palettes. Developing unique color combinations can set your work apart and give it a distinctive look. With MidJourney, you can experiment with endless color variations to find the perfect palette for your project, whether it's for branding, illustration, or any other creative endeavor. Custom color palettes not only enhance the aesthetic appeal, but also help in establishing a consistent visual identity. Let's see how MidJourney can assist us in crafting a unique palette tailored for a specific theme, that is. So for our last example, we'll generate a custom color palette for, let's say, a futuristic cityscape. Now here's the prompt that we'll be using right here. Custom neon color palette. All right, a bit more detailed with the mentioned colors like purple, pink, and cyan. Now we need like a bit of a high-tech ambiance to it. All right, and so let's send this off right now. Okay, submitting this prompt will help us visualize a futuristic cityscape with a unique neon color palette. Once again, I just mentioned there. Now, this could be perfect for sci-fi projects or modern design concepts. So let's see how this would pop up in the image results from the rendering process from MidJourney. Once again, this might take a bit. All right. And then here it is. The results right here. Stunning, isn't it? See? So you can see the unique neon purples, pinks, and cyans create a futuristic and high-tech atmosphere right here. See? There we go. Creating such custom palettes can help your work stand out and convey the desired theme effectively. See? See how the colors have highlighted here most? See? You can tweak the colors in the prompt as well to match your specific vision. This could give you complete control of your creative output right here. See, for me, I feel like this would be satisfied enough right here. This highlights with what my prompt have given. See right here? There we go. Now, that concludes our today's video with MidJourney on color theory. So we've mentioned 4 powerful ways to use this to explore and apply color theory in your creative projects, from color harmonies to custom palettes. MidJourney offers endless possibilities to enhance your design. And that's it, everyone. See you guys next time.